wondered of late if you'll be paying more for oranges, with Hurricane Irma wiping out about half the US supply? Closer to home, it's 10 years of drought affecting our local farmers, disease threats to our bananas, and fossil fuel addiction stocking our supermarkets with pineapples and mangoes from Asia. What's clear is that we cannot put all our fruit in this one basket. We need to diversify our food system. We need a new global vision that brings us back to basics, digging, planting and harvesting in our own neighbourhoods. In Canberra, we're already doing this. We've got many food projects across the city. What we know less about is coping with crisis. Yet we've got neighbours in Asia, in places like the Philippines, that are coping with 20 typhoons a year. Working with communities in the Philippines over the past 10 years, in post-disaster and post-crisis food growing projects, I've seen firsthand the benefit of working together and learning together. In this new project, I want to bring Filipino gardeners to Australia for fruitful learning exchanges that will drive innovation, resourcefulness, creativity and resilience. I'm asking you to join forces with me in the Global Garden Project. We've been the lucky country for a long time, but we are not immune to crisis. Working together and learning from each other is key. So let's join forces in the global garden of ideas to secure our food for future generations.